Alright, so today I'm going to talk about the different impacts of toxicity on animal and plant cells. Well, first I'm going to define toxicity. Toxicity is like a solution to affect the liquid volume and pressure, and that means like the water's going in and out of the cell and coming in and going out. Basically the same thing I just said. And then isotonic, these are going to be like the three reasons of it. So isotonic is when the same amount of dissolved particles have no movement of water, like they're just sitting there. And then hypertonic is like a high dissolved particles, and the cell loses water and like causes it to shrink, and also could cause it to like die. And hypotonic means the low dissolved particles and water moves into the cell, causing it to swell and get big, which could also cause an issue. On the part of the animal cell, so the animal cell is like an optional function and development of the structure of animals. It only has a cell membrane, it has no cell wall. This is also preferred as an isotonic solution. It's also an eukaryotic cell. If an animal got put in like a hypotonic, then they would get too much water, which would limit survival and cause them also to maybe die or not even make it out at that point, because they would swell up. And then in the plant cell, the plant cell also has a cell wall and a cell membrane, unlike this animal cell only has one of them. They also refer to the eukaryotic cell. These more prefer to be hypotonic solutions because they keep the plant hydrated and living. Because the plant likes to release water and keep CO2 more, but they can also drown to where they get too much water and not make it out to where they lose it, most of it.